Alright, we got another good one here. We're going to end up pulling this grease trap out. It's all rusted out on the bottom. Looks lovely. So we're going to have to jackhammer around this whole edge. We're going to pull out this old interceptor and then plumb in a new one. I got Colt baby with me today. We're gonna bang this one out real proper like. So, I'm gonna try to have some fun with it. See what happens. Let's get it.
In the state of Mississippi, Papa was a copper and the mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was swinging a hammer. Price you gotta pay when you break the panorama. She never knew that there was anything more than gold. What in the world does your company take me for? Black bandana, sweet Louisiana, robbing on a bank in the state of Indiana. She's a runner, rebel and a stunner. On the merry way saying, baby, what you gonna? Looking down the barrel of a hot metal 45, just another way to survive. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show your teeth. She's my priestess. Should have seen it coming when I got a little brighter. With a name like Dane, California, day was gonna come when I was gonna mourn ya. A little loaded, she was stealing another breath. I love my baby to death. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. Gifted animator, one for the now and 11 for the later. Never made it up to Minnesota. North Dakota man was a gunner for the quota. Down in the Badlands, she was saving the best.